Guys, we woke up on some of the fungi them again.
Slightly different.
Yeah, them have them little thing them. Not even want to touch none.
And you touch it still.
No, I'm not touch it. I put me on near it. Alright guys, so we're hiking to the river right now. It's a hike, always uphill. Yeah, I'll show you the trail behind. Show you where I come from. Way around, so. Guys, we got some Christmas tree. Alright guys, so this is a type of mushroom. Yeah, bottom for the one that's a psilocybin. Oh, that's enough of them. Bush of fern on the pathway. Guys, we can hear the river already. We're almost there, I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background, but you hear the river roaring. Right? Like we are going to a portal, guys. Jesus, yeah. Got the greenery up there, so where I come from, guys, way up there. Alright guys, we're still up on the trail. Let's see what go on. Ooh. Stay on trail. Alright guys, them trees here look cool with the little thing hanging off of them. Ah, crazy. A lot of these trees are in Florida too. And Georgia and them state there. And New York, yeah. Upstate New York. And even just regular New York if you're going to like the parks and them things. I don't know what this fruit is called, guys, but this tree is bearing fruit, an orange fruit. I don't even sure if it's edible to humans, but so I'm gonna talk about. Probably edible, I'm telling you. Jamaica is a place feed.
Limbo. Watching do the limbo, guys.
Limbo. Alright guys, we finally reached close to the water. Oh my lord. Alright, the water down there so flow. You guys must can hear it. Don't even have to ask. It's a must.
Yeah, so
well, we reach spring, you know. Well, it's 2 years at first. Ooh, the water cool. Ooh, the water cool. Jesus, how much no, it's not even cooler than the waterfall. It's actually good. I stayed and walking through. Hold on.
trying to.
Hold on.
Trying to. Drop. Dangerous business this.
Dangerous business. Good job.
Yeah guys, so the river isn't really rivering like we thought it was.
Exactly, that's spring.
It's more of a spring, but we were advised that it was a river, so you know. But we don't make it do what it do. It's a cute little spring. As you can tell, we are nestled in the heart of nature.
Yeah, literally.
So, yeah. So I'm about to wash my hair. I don't know why I didn't wash it the other day when I was at the waterfall. So now I'm going to dip my head in it. But, yeah, I need to wash, guys. Alright. Looking good.
Yeah, so it's a spring, not a river, but you don't know. It's a hidden river. Very tiny river. It is a source of a river, you know, and most times if you understand about rivers and streams, it always starts off like this at the source, very narrow. Yeah. And then the more the river progress, it gets bigger and bigger. The midstream are the biggest part of the river, the midstream.
Yeah.
The source at the mouth always kind of smaller.
Hey, the water
Sometimes the
can.
mouth big too, you know. Sometimes the river mouth big when it's going into the sea, you know.
Let's go up here, so guys. I'll leave you with the rope.
Yeah.
We're watching here.
I'm going to beard.
Oh, yeah,
See, I'm going to wash her ear, I'm going to beard.
Woo. Guys. Well, you can't do it in cold water. You can't go. You can't come to Jamaica River. I'm telling you that. So it's my car. Even over.
Alright guys, my turn now. I'm about to bathe. Yeah, but I'm going to do my last time, just beat a rinse out. You know. Let's make a bathe first, because so far I keep them anyways. After all are fresh, no matter how the water cool. You know. Some Jamaican people, all them want to do is warm up water. Even if the rain fall and the temperature change a little bit. Some Jamaican people go warm up water and this and that. They can't get the cold water, you know. And cold water has so many benefits, so many health benefits for your body. Research it if you don't believe, you know. I can't remember off the top of my head right now how many health benefits, but there's a lot of health benefits, you know. It creates an optimal environment for your body. I'm all about health, guys. I'm all about health, mental health, spiritual health, physical health. Yeah, we are all about health. Health. Health, are the same thing. That was scream. Somehow screaming help with the temperature.
Yeah. This guy is funny.
I cannot not be it.
Guys, there's some fucking people that come up here that claim they from Uptown or wherever the hell they say they from. And they love going, so them a come from River Trail and them all about nature. And we come down here for the first time and see that the trail has been like untouched in a while.
Nobody not come around here. And people come around here and just come halfway. A one man bath, guys, so we can do it at one time. Because the sun so small. I mean, I don't know the pool. Hey guys, I know say a bath. You know the importance of a bath. You know say a bath, because a shower can lift your mood by like 50%. Yeah, if you get up and have a bad day, just go take a bath. That alone can just lift your mood and make you feel more revived and everything. Believe it. Sometimes the people miserable. I just bathe them for a beard. I just bathe them for a beard, honestly.
That's if they live in a hot place. That's raw dip in it, guys. Love water. That thing say my water sign away in love water.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going down. Let's even come out of the water for a good 15 minutes good. The water mashing up. Take one to the team, guys.
Really?
Woo! Oh, mama, tell him. I was speaking a tongue down here. Mama, tell him, mama, tell him.
Yeah, tell the people them.
Bad mind people. We are mass.
Because demon is still the people who was mama tell them. I chat one more and fuck about them and speaking that tongue. You know?
I'll be down by the river. Waiting for a brighter day to come my way. I think that's what he said. Oh yeah. For the good life to pass my way.
The good lad out here, man, believe it. Out here them place here. Out in nature. The spirit element is the most high, the God who everybody is looking for. I think it's out here, so we're not going to find it, you know. We're not going to find it in a church or a synagogue. Yes, you can find it there. You said, okay, your mind create a reality. So whatever you think can happen. But I think the real connection is out in nature. You know, where everybody's scared of. Why everybody's scared of nature? It not do nothing, you know. See? And we are living proof. It not doing nothing. We camp in nature, we cook in nature, we sleep in nature, we bathe in nature, and we're quite fine, and we're stronger, you know.
And cold water too.
Oh yes, cold water. So literally shock the system, you know. Rewire the brain to make you get used to doing hard tasks.
There's a function in your body. What is it? That is dormant unless you take cold shower.
Yeah. You activate a certain part of your brain by taking cold showers. So it helps with manifestation too. You get what I say? Literally realign your chakra system and allow the energy flow to your body better. It's a whole different benefit with cold water, man. Can't really remember everything on top of the dome right now, but you know, the further research for yourself.
Guys, last.
Finish up I know.
Finish it up.
And take on the ice back warm.
Yeah. Wait. Where's the sun around here, guys? If it wouldn't somebody's sun. But as you can tell, it's really shaded. So